What is up, Diecasters? You're joining in back again with another episode of Diecast Maniac. And I know it's been a long time, and this is my second video after the big break. And today we have another set of amazing releases from another amazing brand. So today we are going to talk about the Inno64 releases, which are to be due for the next few months. So actually, I'm kind of getting into the Inno64 models because they are coming up with their game and the details are becoming better and better every day. So let's start off with what we have for today for our new releases, and let's get into the line. Starting off with, at first we have a JDM. This is the Honda Civic Type R FD2, and this is actually a special edition because this is from the twin ring safety car edition. So this is not actually a race car but a safety car, and this is subject to license approval. So as soon as the license approval is done, it will be released to the public, and the releasing date is not mentioned yet, but the releasing month will be July 2021. Let's hope and wait until that comes, and let's move on to the next. So this is actually the Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. So Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution was actually another famous casting, and a lot of Inno64 collectors were collecting different type of castings throughout the last 2 years, and now they're coming up with two mainline plain colors, which is the white and the red. So these evolutions are to be released on July 2021, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be a hyped up model, and a lot of people are waiting to grab this. So hopefully once it's released, it will be on our channel as well. And then next up we have a rather special model. So this is out for the gamers out there, and yes, this is inspired by the NFS Heat, and this is also coming up, and we are talking about the Nissan Silvia S14 with the Rocket Bunny livery. So the Rocket Bunny wide body kit included, and this is actually a collaboration between the Tofu Garage plus Inno64. So it is definitely a special edition to be released on July 2021, and you guys can see an amazing livery with an amazing wide body kit car, and this model is definitely going to be a hit model for 2021. And I don't think a lot of people expected this, but definitely Inno64 never fails to surprise the model industry. So talking about this specific model, it is also being subjected to license approval, and a release date is yet to be announced, but the releasing month is confirmed that it's coming on July, and definitely it's gonna be on our YouTube channel as well. Now we are moving on to my favorite segment of the video, and to be honest, this was very surprising, and Inno64 is releasing an amazing cast which I never thought I would see. So I've been collecting Acura NSX for some time now, and Inno64 is releasing their very first wide body kit. Inno64 is collaborating with Rocket Bunny. So Rocket Bunny, as you guys know, are very famous for their wide body kits and their modifications, and they're coming up with some amazing liveries. And not to complain, but I haven't seen any model that's been failed through Rocket Bunny, and now seeing this same wide body kit on a NSX is stunning. So to give this good news, Acura NSX is coming up in 3 variations, 3 color codes, and it's all 3 are gonna be in Rocket Bunny body kit. First off, they're releasing the metallic blue, and this is actually coming in royal metallic blue with the wide wing and the wide body kit, and also they have their green. So this is actually somewhat similar to the Zero Fighters, which was released by Mini GT, but I must say this is far better than that. And so Inno64 is coming up with this is actually like a metallic light green, and also they are coming up with another purple edition. So all 3 cars are the same with the body kit, but few differences here and there, but loving the paint job, to be honest, and it's gonna be amazing. And I'm pretty sure if it looks good in the pictures, it's definitely gonna look good in person. And yes, we are definitely having this on our channel, and I'll be doing a full-on review on all 3. But not to ruin your surprise, only 2 models are set on the release date, which is on July. So the blue and the purple is coming on July, and the date is not yet mentioned, but it will be released in July. But for the green, they're expecting to release in August, and hopefully it will be released in August, and definitely all three will be on our channel. And that is it for today, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, like our video and share it among your friends. And definitely we will be coming up with the latest news for you guys and with the latest models to our channel on full reviews. We will be discussing with each and every step, and we will be showing you guys what is coming up next and what is new in the diecast world. And talking about the Inno64 for Sri Lankans, y'all have two dealers in Sri Lanka. The main dealer for Inno64, which is from Nastas Diecast, and y'all can check the website on our link, and you guys can order from there. And also we have our local importer who is from Premium Diecast Heaven, so you guys can order from him as well. So I'll be putting down the links below for both pages, so you guys can check out and see what they have and what they bring down. So a major shout out to both of them. And from that, we'll wrap up this video and see you guys on the next video very soon.